Grammar use. It is important for the students to use the grammar correctly in writing the short story, essay, or any type of writing that they are required to do. While reading, the students need to identify the grammar use which is being used by the author in order to learn how to use the tenses in a correct manner. The most important item to be learnt in grammar is, of course, the tense, in order to make the sentences in their correct form. We will start with present simple. Present simple is the tense which is supposed to be the first one that the students learn when they start the primary school. Even sometimes this has to be reinforced in the secondary school as well. So the teacher needs to identify whether it has to be repeated and revised in the secondary school or not, according to the level of the student. So when we start teaching our students about present simple, the best way to do that is to give them examples. For example, the present simple sentences would be very simple in saying, I eat, I play, I go, I run, I laugh. So this is just happening at the present. So the students are instructed that what is happening at present is being described in the sentence by using the present simple tense. The present simple tense is actually meant to be using a verb, which is an action word, which is telling us what is being done, what is happening, and of course a subject with it. So there is a subject and a verb as a predicate. There is a subject and a verb. There is a subject and a predicate. And then if we want to show there is an object with it as well, then in the present simple we would have a subject that would be mostly a noun. It could be a pronoun as well, and then a verb, and then the predicate with an object. For example, I eat an apple. Now when the teacher goes from I eat to I eat an apple, this transformation from I eat to I eat an apple has to be very gradual. The teacher must assess whether the student has got the message of using the subject and the verb and knows that it is a present simple tense. After she assesses that the student has learnt and understood the meaning of the tense there, I eat, then she can go to I eat an apple. So in that case, I would be the subject, eat would be the verb for the present simple tense being used in present simple, and then she would look for the rest of the sentence and apple. So then she is going to instruct the students, apple is the object and the rest of the sentence is the predicate. So I eat an apple, so I subject, eat verb, and apple predicate, and apple is basically the object accompanied by the article, because then she needs to tell them that there is a use of article as well. But again, this has to be very gradual. Probably in primary sections, in classes 1 or 2, the students are not aware of articles. If they are aware of articles, then the teacher needs to instruct about the articles as well. But it should be first noted that the students know that this sentence is being used for present simple. Present simple, as it is very clear by its name, is happening at the present and is simple. It is very simple in the sense that not many verbs are being changed for the sense of producing a meaning. The same verb is being used as is being done.